I had always trusted my husband, David. We had been married for 8 years and had 2 wonderful kids. David was a quiet man who loved his job as a sales manager. Or so I thought. One day, I was cleaning the living room when his phone buzzed on the coffee table. A message popped up, "Looking forward to seeing you tonight." I thought it was strange, so I opened the message. It was from a woman named Lisa. My heart sank. I didn't say anything at first. I decided to wait and see. Over the next few weeks, I noticed little things. David stayed late at work more often, and he became secretive about his phone. He even started dressing better, wearing cologne he hadn't touched in years. One evening, I followed him. He said he had a late meeting, but instead, he drove to a restaurant. I parked nearby and watched as he greeted Lisa with a kiss. My hands shook and tears filled my eyes. The next day, I confronted him. At first, he denied everything. But when I told him I had seen him with Lisa, he finally admitted it. David had been living a double life. He had another relationship, another home. He had been lying to me and our kids for years. I was devastated. How could the man I loved and trusted do this? My whole world fell apart. I decided to leave him. It was hard, but I knew I deserved better. Now, I am rebuilding my life. It's not easy, but I'm stronger than I ever thought I could be. My kids and I are moving forward, one day at a time. Trust is precious, and once it's broken, it can never be the same.